I forgot to turn that on.
Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous
I guess what I can do.
specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast occurred even though you are using the alarm tone will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Cherry, Bickford, Washington, Delaware, Fairfield, Virginia, Jackson, Liberty, Hawkins, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This canals to the official National Weather Service forecast.
Now let's do this.
Washington, Meigs, Dallas. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Southwest skies. Youngstown reported 82, Dayton reported 81, and Columbus reported 81. At Cincinnati, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 76.
What the?
Outside Ohio.
They sent it out twice! What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you guys high? Why did you send it out twice?
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available
I don't get it.
weather day. Reception of this
They
broadcast
sent it out a second
and
time.
especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given moment.
They haven't even done it yet.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter,
I'm so
can occur
confused.
even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working
Test
order.
warning.
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and
This one
warnings
is
for the following
unfortunately not going to be
counties:
active today.
Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield,
I think an outlet's burned down, so I can't really
Knox,
do anything.
Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union.
How?
This
And why?
concludes the weekly test
And
of weather
when?
radio station
And-
KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio.
And where?
And now the extended for
That is so weird.
night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s.
They haven't even tested once.
Partly cloudy
In
in the morning,
Mansfield
then
yet.
becoming
Are you serious? Another one! They just said it again! This is insane!
Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station.
Why are they
KIG
doing this?
86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system.
I'm so confused.
During potentially dangerous weather
Is it like a
situations,
malfunction?
specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to
Because
warn
I'm
of
not hearing the
impending
same
hazard. Of the signal
regular
and
programming
performance
script.
are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test
Well,
will
this
be
has been an
postponed
adventure.
to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability
This will only be
normally
used
more
for severe
noticeable at
weather.
greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver
I don't
in good
understand.
working order.
They haven't tested once and they test 3 times?
Hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties:
KZ46 only tested once, I hope.
Delaware, Fairfield, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.
Weekly, more like minutely.
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the
What are you
following
guys
counties.
doing? Wasn't as loud this time.